Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add wobble animation in CapCut for PC like this. So how to add animation? You can click the clip that you want to add the animation, and you can select the animation here and select combo, and then swipe up to getting the animation. So here's wobble animation, just click and do as before to others clip. You can also adjust for duration, swipe to the left for faster and swipe to the right for slower like this. So here we go. You can see the result by click the play button here. Okay. So that's how to add wobble animation in CapCut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate it. Bye bye.